I, Dr. Nishant Kumar Pathak, Associate Professor, Computer Science and Engineering Department. Jai Hind everybody. Now today's lecture is conditional statement. What is conditional statement? Conditional or the branching statement having same. Conditional, branching or statement are used to execute a group of statement if some conditions is true, otherwise other of the statement are executed. Generally there are four type of conditional statement is. First one is if, second one is else, then else if, and the last one is switch case. What is if? If statement always represent the true value. True value means what? True value means if you give the instructions, write a program to print A is greater than B. Suppose I give the simple example. If you give the instructions A is greater than B and you have entered the number A is 5 and B is 4, then your condition is wrong. Then execution is not possible. It comes back the console. So if statement always represent true value. The syntax is what? The syntax is if small bracket, then condition, curly braces open, then give some statement. A best example is A is greater than B. A is greater than B. A is greater than B means what? If you assign the value of 10, give the A, assign the value 10 and assign the value B 5. A is greater than B. Here statement is true. If the statement is true, then definitely your program is executed. If statement is false, then your program is not executed. Now, how to write this program? Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main, and then curly braces open. And then you write here int A equal to 10 and int B equal to 5. A value is what? 10 and the B value is what? 5. After assigning the value, just here you mention if and then write the condition A greater than B. Curly braces open. Check the what is the syntax is actual, what is the actual syntax? If and condition. I write here the if and condition. Then what is the statement is here? Printf small bracket double quote A is greater than B double quote close, then semicolon, then this one is close. When you run this program, then what the output is coming in console? The output is A is greater than B because the condition is true here. And if here you mention A equal to 5, B equal to 10, then definitely your condition is false. When your condition is false, definitely you have not got any answer, because if statement always represent which value? If statement always represent true value. Now the second statement is what? The second statement is else statement. Else is the alternate of if. Alternate means not a alternate, it means if always, else always represent the false value. Thus what is the syntax? What is the syntax of else is? The syntax of else is what? Same here. Firstly you write the if, then condition, then statement, curly braces close, then you write here else, then curly braces open, statement, then curly braces close. This is the same example. I take the same example. Question is what? Write a program to print which one is greater, A or B. Which one is greater, A or B? Now, how to solve these queries? How to solve these queries? Suppose your question is write a program to print which one is greater. Firstly, learn syntax of else statement. If condition, then curly braces open, write here statement, curly braces close, now write else, curly braces open, now write here the statement, curly braces close. The question is what? The question is write a program to print which one is greater, A or B. A or B. How to write this program? Has include stdio.h, has include conio.h, void main, then curly braces open. Two variable, int A, first one, and second one is what? Int B. Int A and int B. Now assign the value A and B. Printf double quote /n, enter first number A. Now write here the scanf function, scanf %d double quote close ampersand sign A. You, with the help of this statement, you easily enter the value of A. When you complete the A section, now go to the section of B. Printf small bracket double quote /n, enter second number B. And now write scanf double quote %d double quote close ampersand sign B. When you complete the A and B, now you write, now you see the syntax is what? Firstly, you mention the condition of if, then else. Now write, what's you write here? Printf A, scanf A, printf B, scanf B. Now you come this sections. Now write if A greater than B, curly braces open. Now write here printf double quote /n, A is greater than B, double quote close. Then this one. Now the curly braces is closed. Now you write here else statement, curly braces open, in the front of else. See the syntax. Doesn't need to write here any conditions. Else, now write here what? Printf small bracket double quote /n, B is greater than A. Now close, this one close. Now get ch and run this program. When you run this program, what the actual output is coming? First one, the first output is A. First output is here. Look at the here. First output is what? Enter the first number A. Suppose you enter the first number A 10 and then you assign the second number B 5. Then your answer is what? It goes to the first condition, if condition, and your answer is A is greater than B. If you write here reverse function, suppose you write here 5, first one is 5, A is what? 5, and then B is what? 10. Then what's your answer is? What's your answer is? Check. 5 greater than 10. It's the wrong. Then conditional automatically come in else statement. Conditional automatically come in else statements. Then what's your answer? What's your answer? Find out. You find out the answer is B is greater than A. And the third statement is else if statement. What is else if? else if statement. Else if statement means the else if statement generally represent in between if, else, and in between else if. Either the value is true or the false. If you want to represent, then where you have used to else if statement. Simple example: A is greater than B, or write a program to print A is greater than B, A is less than B, or A equal to B is your question. What's your question is? A is greater than B, A is less than B, A equal to B. Here you have used the else if statements because here mention the three statements, three things: A greater than B, A equal to B, A less than B. What's you do here? Just see the syntax first. If condition, curly braces open, then statement, curly braces close. Now write here else if. Here is the condition something. Now the curly braces open, statement, curly braces close. Now write here the else statement, curly braces open. Now write something, then curly braces close. If condition means what? If condition means what? To assign the some value in if A is greater than B. Same as it is, the process having the same. Printf enter the some numbers, printf enter the first value A, then scanf A, printf first value A, scanf A, then printf second number B, scanf B. When you have complete the two sections A and B, then go to this sections if, use the conditions A greater than B. Now write here the statement here, the printf small bracket double quote slash n, A is greater than B. Now this one is close. Now write here else if A equal to B, then close. Now write printf and write here, what's you write here? Slash n, A equal to B, then this one is closed. Now write the else statement and here write, what's you write here? Here you write just opposite of if statement, B is less than A. Then you have completed the section of else if. Else if, the syntax is what? If condition, then statement, else if condition, then statement, else, then statement. Now what the output is? If printf A is greater than B. Suppose you take the suppose you run this program and enter the first number. Suppose you have entered the first number A equal to 10 and the B equal to 5. Then what the output is? The output is, it goes these sections because 10 is greater than 5, then your output is A is greater than B. If you give here A equal to 3 and B equal to 5, then what's your output is? It goes to the else sections and it print B is greater number. Now if you goes to the, if you give the numbers A equal to 10, B equal to 10, then having both having the same, the what is the output is? The output is A is equal to B. If statement always represent true value, else statement always represent false value, and else if represent, sometimes if represent as the conditions required is give the true value as well as the false value, the situations required is give the feedback or is give the answer.